In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Facebook Marketplace duplicate item listing error. If you're a frequent user of Facebook Marketplace, you might have occasionally run into the problem where some of your listings appear duplicated. This can be quite frustrating as it not only clutters your dashboard but might also confuse potential buyers. Fortunately, today we'll be covering how to resolve this issue in a few simple steps. First things first, let's head over to Facebook. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Facebook homepage. Once you're logged in, look for the marketplace icon on the left-hand side of the screen and click on it. It's represented by a small storefront icon. Clicking this will take you to the main page of the marketplace where you can manage your listings. Once you're on the marketplace page, the next step is to click on the selling option. This tab will display all the items you currently have listed for sale. Take a closer look at these listings to identify any duplicates. Once you spot the duplicates, keep them in mind as we proceed to the next steps. Now we're going to dive into the settings to clean things up. Click on your profile icon, which is usually located in the top right corner of the Facebook page. From the menu that drops down, go to Settings and Privacy and then select Activity Log. This is a helpful tool where you can monitor all your activities on Facebook. In the activity log, find and click on Facebook Activity. This will narrow down your activities related to Facebook's features, including Marketplace. In this section, select Facebook Marketplace to get a more focused view of your Marketplace-specific actions. Next, you'll want to click on the three dots found on the right side of each duplicated listing. This will give you various options, and what we're looking for here is the delete option. Go ahead and select delete to remove the duplicate listing from your records. Confirm the deletion to finalize the removal of the duplicated content. Now, you may want to verify that these duplicates are indeed removed. Return to the Facebook homepage and then click on Marketplace once more. Navigate back to the Selling tab and confirm that the duplicates no longer appear in your list. Remember, the goal here is to ensure that your listings are clean, concise, and easy to navigate for your potential buyers. Ensuring that you don't have unnecessary duplicates can help you better manage your inventory and successfully sell your items. And there you have it. That's how you can quickly and effectively handle duplicate item listings on Facebook Marketplace. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials on managing your online sales. Have a great day.